5 things rich people buy to make more money. You can too. Rich people are always looking for ways to make more money. They know that the key to wealth is not just about making more money, but also about investing in themselves and their future. Here are 5 things that rich people buy to make more money. 1. Accelerated self-education. Rich people understand that learning is a lifelong process. They invest in their own education by buying books, attending courses, and hiring mentors and coaches. 2. Personal coaching. A personal coach can help you identify your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Rich people understand the value of coaching and invest in it accordingly. 3. Mentorship. Having a mentor is one of the best ways to learn from someone who has already achieved success. Rich people seek out mentors who can help them achieve their goals. 4. Building relationships. Wealthy people know that networking is essential to success. They make an effort to build strong relationships with other successful people in their field. 5. Mastermind groups. A mastermind group is a group of like-minded individuals who meet regularly to support and encourage each other. Rich people participate in mastermind groups to gain valuable insights from their peers. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like.